Whose Son is he? To us there is but one God, the Father, and one Lord Jesus Christ. 1 Corinthians chapter 8 verse 6. Ultimately, in one way or another, or at one time or another, we shall be faced with this question: what think ye of Christ? Whose Son is he? If Jesus Christ is not who he claimed to be, he is a deceiver, or an egomaniac. We must answer this question with both belief and action. We must not only believe something about Jesus, but we must do something about him. We must accept him, or reject him. Jesus made clear who he was, and why he came into the world. He asked his disciples, "Whom do men say that I, the Son of Man, am?" They told him of a variety of designations on the human level. Then Jesus turned to them and asked, "But whom say ye that I am?" Whereupon Peter replied with his historic affirmation, "Thou art the Christ, the Son of the living God." Matthew 16:13-16. This is the apex of faith. This is the pinnacle of belief. This is where the faith of each must rest if he hopes for salvation. Christ is inescapable. You, too, must decide, what shall I do with Christ? Prayer for the day. You are the Christ, Lord Jesus, Son of the living God. In adoration I worship you, my Redeemer.